Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by stopping any writes to the affected disk. Once files are deleted from the recycle bin, they become recoverable until overwritten. Identify your operating system so you choose the correct tool: Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Then, download and install a reputable recovery application onto a separate drive or an external USB stick. This prevents further overwrites. Once installed, plug in the external media and run the program as administrator so it can scan the target volume with full file access permissions. Next, initiate a full or deep scan of the target volume. This takes longer but finds more remnants. As the scan progresses, use file type filters like DocX, JPG, or PSD to narrow the view and save time when searching hundreds or thousands of entries. Preview files where possible to check that headers and content are intact. Previews reveal corrupt or partially overwritten files. Make note of the original file paths and timestamps so you can prioritize the most important items for immediate recovery. Finally, select the files you want and restore them to a different physical drive or external disk to avoid overwriting remaining fragments. Once restored, open each file to verify readability and run checksums or file-specific integrity checks if possible. This confirms successful recovery. If files are missing or corrupted, stop further writes and try a different recovery tool or a deeper sector-level scan. If problems persist, contact a professional data recovery service sooner rather than later to maximize chances of retrieval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.